Hi and welcome to awen-lutherie. Welcome to this video build series where we will be building this 1x12 guitar speaker cabinet. I hope you enjoy as we go through all the steps of it, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave a comment if you want on each video. Thank you very much. Alright, now that we have the baffle pretty much completed, I want to put a front cover on this. So one whole piece that will have the grille cloth and just drop it straight on top. So for that I'm going to make a frame out of this 1/2 inch ply. This is a leftover piece, an offcut from something, but there should be enough material in this. Waste not, want not. So my design is going to be 2 outer runners, which will go the full length, and 3 lateral runners. So obviously one top, one bottom. And I'm also going to be putting, it's actually the offcut from when I thicknessed the top side. So I'm going to cut this down to, I'm just going to eyeball it about there. So that is where the third runner is going to be. And then this will all be grille cloth. I think that should be, it should look well, I think. And there is a knot there in the corner, so that will be cut out perfectly. We'll just get that. I'm going to line it up with these screw holes actually, and just roughly mark. About there is where I want to rip it. So I need 2 side runners and 3 lateral runners. And yeah, this should be plenty wide. So the side runners each are going to be, let's see if it's easier in inches. Yeah, it is 16.5 inches. So that 16.5 inches was 418 millimeters. It's easier to go 6.5 inches. And then the outside ones are going to be 505 millimeters. And that is total, but I have the side runners will be going the full length down, and the lateral ones will be fitting inside. So I need to take that 505 and take away, I'm going to make them an inch, every rail is going to be an inch wide, so that's 25 millimeters. So that 505 will be minus 50 millimeters, which is twice the width of the side runners, which is giving me 455 millimeters length for each of the 3 lateral runners. So I'm just going to go over to the table saw, rip this piece to a whole bunch of 25 mil segments. I've totally forgotten that word. A whole bunch of 25 mil lengths, and then I'll measure them all out and cut them all to length.